How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and staying safe. So children, as your summer vacations are over now, I hope that you all must have enjoyed in your vacations and also have completed your holiday homework, okay? Children, you have to submit your holiday homework worksheets by 8th of July, alright? And I am Prachi, your reasoning and computer teacher as well. So now we will quickly get the review of what we have already done in our previous lectures of reasoning and computers. Okay, so children, firstly we will talk about reasoning. In the reasoning, you can see here we have completed our first chapter, which is patterns, the second one which is analogy and classification, and the third one is alphabet test. Okay, and I hope children that you all have also done the revision of these chapters in your holidays. And in computer, if I'll talk about, then in that I have given you a introduction about the computer, and also we have started our first chapter of computer. Okay, so from today we will resume where we have left earlier in the computer, and today will be your computer class. Okay, so let's start children. This is your computer book, as you all know, and in that we have already started our first chapter, this a computer system. Okay, in that we have done about introduction, a computer system and its meaning, that where the computer is useful, like in offices, hospitals, banks, space research, and there are so many other places where computer is a useful device. Okay, now next we have also read about hardware. Okay, in hardware children we have studied about its parts. What are the hardware parts? So we have studied about monitor in this. In monitor children, there are three types of monitors you have already read, which are CRT, cathode ray tube, LCD, liquid crystal display, and the third one is light emitting diode. Okay, next children we have studied about CPU. So CPU is the children main processing unit of the computer, because all the calculations and all the processings are done by the help of CPU. Okay, so it is the main hardware part of the computer. Next children, we have studied about the important terms in the CPU, which is memory unit, control unit, arithmetic and logic unit. Okay, so these are the important terms which are used under the topic of CPU. And children, also we will start today with the topic of keyboard. Okay, so earlier in the earlier lecture we have completed about monitor and CPU. Okay, we have read about these two topics. Now today we will start with keyboard. So today we will only concentrate on this topic children, and you have to also revise what we are reading in the class, and also you have to underline the terms which I am going to underline in this topic, because these are very essential terms. Alright children, so let's begin. A keyboard is used to type data and instructions into the computer. Okay, आपको ये underline करना है children, that keyboard जो होता है, why it is used? It is used to type करने के लिए use होता है children, to type the data and instructions into the computer. Okay, कीबोर्ड की हेल्प से देखो चिल्ड्रन, यहाँ पे आपको एक पिक्चर गिवन है कीबोर्ड की, इसमें बहुत सारी देखो ये कीज गिवन होती है. ओके, जैसे आपको ये डिफरेंट कलर से मार्किंग्स दिख रही है चिल्ड्रन, दीज आर ऑल द कीज ऑन द कीबोर्ड. ओके, और इन कीज की हेल्प से हम कंप्यूटर को इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं और डेटा प्रोवाइड करते हैं. ओके, द कॉमनली यूज कीबोर्ड has 104 keys. You have to underline this and remember this. जो नॉर्मली हम चिल्ड्रन कीबोर्ड को यूज करते हैं उसमें 104 कीज होती हैं, which will be further divided into many groups based on their functions. Okay, so ये जितनी भी कीज होती हैं चिल्ड्रन कीबोर्ड पे, ये सब किस बेसिस पे डिवाइडेड होती हैं? अकॉर्डिंग टू द functions which these keys perform. Okay, सो अलग अलग कीज के डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फंक्शंस होते हैं चिल्ड्रन। जैसे ये आपको येलो कीज दिख रही हैं, इसमें आपको कुछ कीज जो होंगी दीज विल बी द अल्फाबेट कीज। सो ये सब अल्फाबेट कीज के ग्रुप में हम इन्वॉल्व करते हैं। यहाँ पे नंबर कीज होती हैं टॉप पे चिल्ड्रन, ओके। सो इस टाइप से डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कीज के डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फंक्शंस होते हैं और हम उसके अकॉर्डिंग उनको ग्रुप करते हैं, एक ग्रुप में फॉर्म करते हैं, ओके। नाउ चिल्ड्रन अब हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे जो येलो कीज है ये क्या फंक्शन परफॉर्म करेंगी। दीज आर यूज फॉर टाइपिंग अल्फा न्यूमेरिक कीज, ओके। इसको हम टाइपिंग कीज भी बोल सकते हैं और अल्फा न्यूमेरिक कीज भी बोल सकते हैं, ओके। दिस इज अल्फा न्यूमेरिक, ओके। आप इन दोनों को हाफ करके वर्ड को कंबाइन करोगे जब आप, तो आपको इसका प्रॉपर प्रोनाउंसिएशन आ जाएगा अल्फा एंड न्यूमेरिक। सो अल्फा न्यूमेरिक कीज, दैट मीन्स चिल्ड्रन अल्फा न्यूमेरिक का मीनिंग होता है जिसमें हमारे को अल्फाबेट्स भी गिवन हो और नंबर्स भी गिवन हो, ओके। सो जो येलो कीज होती हैं यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, इसमें हमारे को जो मार्किंग्स गिवन होती है उसमें अल्फाबेट्स भी होते हैं और नंबर्स भी होते हैं। दैट्स वाई हम इनको टाइपिंग कीज और अल्फा न्यूमेरिक कीज बोलते हैं, ओके। अल्फा न्यूमेरिक मीन्स जिसमें लेटर्स भी हो, दैट मीन्स अल्फाबेट्स भी हो और नंबर्स भी हो, ओके। सो यू हैव टू remember this, okay. Now next children, if I will talk about this green key, where is the green key? You have to recognize here. So these green keys are known by navigation keys, okay. इनको हम navigation keys भी बोल सकते हैं because इन keys की help से children हम कर्सर जो होता है मॉनिटर पे, जो हम मॉनिटर की स्क्रीन होती है उस पे कर्सर को हम जो है उसका पोजीशन को चेंज कर सकते हैं बाय द हेल्प ऑफ नेविगेशन कीज, ओके। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द कंट्रोल कीज, ओके। आप कंट्रोल कीज जो होंगी ये ऑरेंज वाली जो कीज आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, दीज रेड वन, सॉरी, सो दीज कीज आर द कंट्रोल कीज, ओके। So you have to also remember the name about these keys. These are the control keys. Next is the blue keys at the right corner. So these keys are named by numeric keypad, okay. And why numeric keypad? Because here there are different numbers from 1 to 9 are given and 0 is written also here and enter key is here. So this is known as numeric keypad, okay. So this is a different keypad at the right corner of the keyboard, okay. And control keys matlab children you can understand it by that these keys are used to control the cursor, okay, or the instructions which are given in the computer, okay. Next is the function keys. फंक्शन कीज को हम यूज करते हैं चिल्ड्रन टू परफॉर्म डिफरेंट फंक्शंस ऑन वॉट एवर डेटा वी हैव provided to the computer. So these are the function keys, okay, this one and this one. All right, so these are the function keys and these are the control keys, okay. So don't get confused by this. These keys are the function keys and these red ones are the control keys. All right, now in detail we will read about these keys on the keyboard. First one is typing key. These keys include letters, numbers, punctuations and special symbols, okay. So typing keys में हम children देखो alphabets भी include करते हैं, numbers भी, these punctuation marks, these symbols also, and there are so many other concepts which will be used under typing keys, okay. So these keys also include the shift, caps lock, space bar, backspace and the tab keys, okay. Now next is the control key. So today we will do it till the control key. Next in the next key we will read in the next class. All right, so control keys children, these are either used alone or in combination with other keys. जो control keys होती है children आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो these red keys, okay. So these keys are always used in combination, or they can also be used alone with other keys. Okay, so कॉम्बिनेशन में भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं अदर कीज के साथ, या फिर हम कंट्रोल कीज को अलोन भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, एंड दीज कीज आर यूज टू परफॉर्म सर्टेन एक्शंस. कुछ ना कुछ जो है इसमें एक्शन परफॉर्म करने के लिए, जो भी डेटा हमने दिया है कंप्यूटर में उस पर कुछ एक्शन परफॉर्म करने के लिए हम कंट्रोल कीज को यूज करते हैं. ओके, these keys are control, CTRL. These are the short forms, children. Okay, control, alt key, Windows logo key, and the escape key. And these are the various example of control keys. ये जो examples आपको given है children, control, alt, window logo key and the escape key. So ये सब examples जो हैं children, ये control keys के हैं. Okay, so you will see in the picture here on the screen of the keyboard, and you will locate all these keys which we have read today. Okay, and you will find out which key is present where on the keypad. Okay, on the keyboard. So you have to recognize those keys. All right, and also children, you have to again revise the functions of these keys what we have read today. All right, so children, that's all for today's class. Thank you for watching.